What is your view?
Good evening, Sanket ji.
Good evening, sir. We've been discussing this word, or lots of discussion around, lack of trust, trust deficit, and then cooperation and working together. Finally, we have vaccines. We reach a remarkable figure of 88 lakh per day. And now we are again back to that same old figure. And then we are also again back to the same blame game between state and center. How's this going to work? What's your view?
Sanket ji, the issues clearly are two. One, availability of vaccines, and the second, vaccination per se. So vaccination is to be done by the state government. Vaccines are to be provided by the government of India. So wherever there is, when we talk of a trust deficit, where does it come about? If ever a statement is made, there is no dearth of vaccines, availability of vaccines is as much as the demand is there, then the problem comes up, because then it is for the states to answer to their people, so why aren't you vaccinating us? If the government of India is making a statement, very responsible people in the government of India are saying there is no dearth of vaccines, then why aren't you vaccinating us? Then the issue comes up and it boils over. And then we have to say that Chhattisgarh, for example, has asked for 1 crore vaccines. And we have been given in writing that for the month of July, we will be given 19 lakh vaccines. So that is the difference. 20% supply is available compared to what we can vaccinate, the vaccination capacity of Chhattisgarh at 3.5 lakh vaccinations per day. So it must be told and shared with the country. When we are talking of cooperation, we should fully take the people of the country into confidence.
No, but then, Mr. Dev, what should be shared with the people of this country? Because the government says that it has shared in complete transparency the number of vaccines.
We should not say that there is no dearth of vaccines. We should say that only so many vaccines are available. You see, if you are going to vaccinate at this current rate, how many months it is going to take us to vaccinate the country? It will be 13 months. So we have to let the people know that at this current rate, why was there a spike up to 88 lakhs per day? Because the stock was there with all the states for 45 plus. We had stocks and we didn't have people to get vaccinated.
Sure.
And the minute you opened it up for 18 plus, suddenly there was a spike in vaccine number of vaccinations in a day. And the minute the vaccines were used, again we have come down to the average of around 35 to 40 lakhs per day, because that is probably the number of doses being manufactured in the country. Where I have always felt that we did not measure up to the requirements of for a vaccine to be dose to be prepared, then should we not have done what we are doing today 6 months back? If
that's a valid question.
of India had come up with 2 crore vaccines, we already have 2 crore vaccines 3 months in advance. To the 2nd of January, they had already come
to this question, I was told by the government that at that moment everything was in a trial stage. How much of capacity building can you do? There is only so much that can be done.
Okay, you don't do it 3 months before the 2nd of January. But on the 2nd of January, you had fixed two institutes who were found fit to supply: Serum Institute and Bharat Biotech.
Yeah, I've run out of time.
Have done then.
Very quick.